This is the Dale Vogel Estate Waterloo Boy tractor. We're going to do a little video on starting it. One of the first things we do is we'll usually bring it up on top dead center with the petcocks open. Top dead center. Push the pulse on the mag ahead. Then Gopher will climb up and we'll prime it. Some people put them down, the fuel down through the petcocks, but we've had more. We don't like the fuel spraying back up out of them, so we pull the spark plugs and then put a little gas fuel down each one. Don't run ethanol in it. It's high test fuel. We put the throttle levers so the spark is on the left and the gas and throttle is on the right. And we start it, we have them pretty much straight up. Then there's down by the carburetor down there's another lever there, and that should be straight up. And then over here in the front, there's another valve on the gas tank up front. We turn that down. We shut them off and we're done with it, so no risk of the gas getting in the crankcase. Okay, we should be ready to start now. The pulse, when you push it ahead, it adds more power to the spark. Once it's run, it'll pop back like that, and it's off. Then the pulse is off. We start it with it ahead. Always have your thumbs on the upper part of the crank.